With age, everything in this world changes. So are the eyes. With aging, in the eyes, we get to see a lot of changes. But today, I'll talk about two major changes which we see in mostly all the human eyes. So let's start. During the birth, if the eyes were normal, and normal means if the eye didn't have any abnormality, then with time all its internal and external structures grows simultaneously. And a human eye, from birth itself, it has an inbuilt ability to ability, alter its capacity to see the distance and near things clearly. So the eye can adjust its ability or the power to see the distance and near things clearly. But with age, this inbuilt ability goes on decreasing. So, if the children may have few kinds of power problems in the eyes, then initially, due to this inbuilt ability, the child may not face any visibility problem. So only the child may not come for an eye checkup, or the child may not have any problem in seeing. But with age, once the inner ability goes on decreasing, then the then probably the the power problem may get directed. So with the help of this inner ability, the human eyes uh, can correct few kinds of power problems, and which when this ability goes on decreasing with age. Now the second thing is, if suppose if whether the, if whether the person could see the distance or near things clearly or not, it doesn't matter. But even if that the person could see the distant thing clearly, but at around the age of 40, the person will have problem in seeing or reading the near things clearly. At this point of time, he will need an extra power, power which he will have to wear in the form of spectacles, and which will be mainly needed for the near activities. Near power problem starts takes place almost in every eyes, and of course it depends on the visual needs of the patient, whether if the person works or sees the near things all the time, then definitely he will have to wear the glasses all the time. But if the person doesn't read or works at near for all the time, then even if he doesn't wear the glass for the near, then also he may not be having much problem. This near power goes on increasing with age, because our inner ability inside our eye goes on decreasing with age. So the power which will have to wear for our near goes on increasing, and there is a maximum extent up to which the near power is usually worn, or the maximum extent to which the near power is being prescribed. This near power problem can be considered as similar to as graying of hair, because after the age of 40, Mostly everyone's here starts to gray. Similarly, the near power problem after the age of 40 is quite common. It it comes with the age, so nothing to worry because no one has a control on the age on aging. So wearing the glass for the near is quite normal. Now the second most common change is in the lens inside the eye. Every human eye has a lens inside the eye, and due to lots of reasons, or due to lots of various other systemic problems, the lens inside the eye, which is otherwise clear, this clear due to various other reasons, the lens inside the eye loses its clarity. If the lens loses its clarity, then it will not allow the light rays to enter into the eyes. And if the can't enter the eyes, then the visual ability of of the person will decrease. And what is then the person will have problem in seeing. This losing of the clarity of the lens inside the eye is termed as cataract. With age, seeing cataract is quite common, and more we age, more will be the amount of cataract. And if the cataract is more, then surgery is needed. Therefore, only an eye examination can tell you whether to go for the cataract surgery now itself or later. So these are these are few only these are only few kinds of changes in the eyes which we see with aging. So that's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Thank you.